Hello. I got some awesome Yu-Gi-Oh cards today. I went to Walmart this morning and they didn't have any of them. Went there this evening and they was brand new full. This is Raging Tempest. Brand new. I'm hoping to pull some of those one cards. I can't remember the name of them. Zodiac super rare. Secret rare, I'm sorry. I can't speak well. I got 8 of these. I'm going to take them out of the blister before I open them for you guys, because we don't have all night. Got 8 of them, and I hope we get a secret rare Zodiac, something or other, because that would be awesome. Wish me luck. Alright, 8 packs of Raging Tempest, first edition, brand new. Just got them at Walmart today. It was the first day they were there. Open them up and hope we get something good. I've not gotten anything good since I've started doing these openings. It's my time. It's my time to shine. Eater of millions. That's not fair. Ancient Gear Howitzer. There's a Zodiac. I want to set all the Zodiacs to the sides here. Wind Witch Crystal Bell. Neo Galaxy Eyes Cypher Dragon. Terminal World next. Zodiac Ram. Why is the camera keep unfocusing and focusing and unfocusing and focus? Knock it off, camera. Or, I should say, my phone. I use my phone to record all these videos. It's a Samsung Galaxy 7. If anybody cares. Mechanical Arc Fiend. They spelled mechanical all funny. Massive Morph. Symphonic Warrior Mike's. Wind Witch Crystal Bell. Again. The King. Come on. Why are you unfocused? True King. Litho Sagum. The Disaster. Zodiac Combo over there. Come on now. Symphonic Warrior Guitar. Archfiend. Eater of Millions again. Envoy of Chaos. Envoy. Crystron. Sulfinir. White Princess. Yoko Tuner. Zodiac Ram again. That's alright. I don't know what the deal with the phone is, but I'm about to kick it across the house. I must be tired, I can't see focus. Symphony Fire. Void Feast. Lost Wind. Subterra Cave Clash. Let me get a secret rare, damn it. Dang it, I mean. Metronome. It's a little gnome, how cute. Apprentice Piper. Whatever. Nothing wants to cooperate. Let me tell you something about these packs. I'm already sick of their shenanigans. Amplifier. Cypher Spectrum. Ancient Gear Howitzer. Flower Cardian Light Flare. Zodiac Rapture. Ratpier. Zodiac combo, Zodiac Ram. Virtual Beast Return. Why are you doing that, camera? Phone. Recording device. Zodiac Bunny Blast. Fusion Parasite and what? Spiral Gear Utility Wire. Damn, dude. Handstand the Coon. 2 packs left. Not going to get anything again. Welcome to my world, folks. I don't get anything ever. Mike's, Lost Wind, Subterra Behemoth, Dragossuary, or whatever. Last chance for a secret rare. Don't make me buy more, because I will. Shiranui Sensaga. Damn it. Damn it! Well, got a whole bunch of nothing again. Camera's not cooperating. The packs ain't cooperating. I don't understand. Didn't get jack. I don't know, something might be worth something. I don't know the value of any of these things yet. I was just hoping to get one of the secret rares. Got 2 of the utility wires. Yep. That's it. Nothing good. Thanks for watching. Later.